Situ Industries MaxxLite LED Signs manufactures one of the finest LED displays in the United States. Completely robust, engineered with the highest quality materials, workmanship, and techniques. Designed specifically for outdoor conditions, rugged environments. Brilliant resolutions, high brightness, all the things you would expect from top quality. One of our most popular displays. Here's a sample. Let's see if we can get one of these units in view. This is our model P10 2x7 10mm display. 281 trillion colors. Each one of these pixels right here creates 281 trillion colors. Beautiful brightness. This here is our model P13 3x7. Cabinet size is 42 by 92. That's our custom aluminum extrusion. This is part of the framework. Chemical bonding epoxy. Additional waterproofing, power boxes and control center. That's another model P13 3x7 being constructed. That's our custom MaxxLite extrusion that we manufacture. All power coated in a beautiful bronze. Of course, we have the unique cellular and cloud publishing in all our displays. Control and published to your display from anywhere in the world. Visit us online or call us at any time. We'll be happy to be of service. Celebrating 45 years in the sign industry, manufacturing quality since 1976, right here in Michigan. Thank you. I appreciate you visiting.